Morning, ma'am.
Okay, now we are going to see about survey. Okay, what is survey? Anyone know about survey? Measuring the points. Yes. Measuring the points is the survey. Okay. This survey is the main part in civil engineering. Okay, in this we are going to measure the relative positions of the land. Next one we are going to collect the measure points. Next one, data measurement. Data measurement is nothing. We are going to measure the land surface by using tapes, chains, theodolites. Okay. Next one, representation. What is the final outcome of a survey? What is the final outcome? What is the use of survey? Why we are surveying the land?
Measuring the property line.
Yes, to measure the property line of a area. Okay, next one is we are going to create a map. These are the aspects of survey. Next one is principle of survey. There are two types of principle of survey. First one is working from whole to part. Okay, if we are getting a land surface, we are going to divide that in triangle shape. Okay, dividing the part into triangle shape, and we are going to measure the surface of the land. Next one, locating new points by two measurement. Okay, we are going to measure the 2 points. So these are the principle of survey. Next one, in this surveying there are 2 measurements. One is linear measurement and another one is angular measurement. What is linear? What is linear? Linear. What is linear? This is a linear line. Next one, angular. What is angular? In circular now we have angles. Okay, radius. We have an angle. This is the linear measurement. This is the angular measurement. Linear measurement means where this linear measurement will be there? In the plane surface. Okay, in the plane surface we have linear measurements. Okay, these angular measurements will be in hill stations. Okay, where there are ups and downs. If we have ups and downs, this angular measurements will be there. Okay, first one, this is the linear measurement. Okay, this is point A, this is point B. Okay, here if we measure this point A to point B, this is called as linear measurement. This is the horizontal distance. This one is the slope. Okay, next one is angular measurement. This angular measurement, where this angular measurement will be coming? Will be coming in mountains, hill stations. Okay, here this is the point A, this is point B. Okay, we are going to measure the angular distance of this. Okay, first one, this is the point A, this is point B. Where it is found in hill stations. If we measure in hill stations, then this horizontal distance will be calculated. This is the total station. Okay, from this total station A to total station B, we are going to measure the vertical distance. Okay, this is the ranging rod. Okay, in ranging rod, we will be having the measurements. Ranging rod is nothing but a vertical stand measurement. Okay, from A to from B, we will be measuring the distance. This is the vertical distance. Okay, this benchmark is nothing but we will be having a benchmark. A common benchmark will be there. From that, this benchmark plus error. This error will be coming in all the measurements. Okay, the measurements we have to determine here so that the horizontal distance and vertical distance will be calculated. Okay, next one. In the survey we have two types of the distance measurement. First one is direct measurement and indirect measurement. Okay, here direct measurements means this is the direct measurement. Okay, from A to B we are directly measuring the distance. Okay, this is called as the direct measurement. This is the indirect measurement. In indirect measurement we have to determine the positions by locating two different points. In this principle principle of viewpoints. We have no this second principle. Okay, here two measurements is we are having no. Like that, we will be determining. This is the point A. This will be point B. This point B will be invisible to us in indirect measurement. Okay, in direct measurement, point A and point B will be directly visible. Okay, so that we can determine the distance directly. This is called as direct measurement. If the second point is invisible to us, it is called as indirect measurement. Okay, in this case, we will be measuring a M and N point. By measuring this M and N point, we will be determining the distance between A and B. Okay, like this. Like this, we will be measuring the points. Okay, so that we can determine the distance between A and B. This comes under hill stations, mountains. Okay. Anyone can summarize this? Anyone can summarize? Okay, I will be summarizing this. First, we have seen the aspects of survey. Next one, principle of survey. Next one is measurements and